and we're gonna work on the menu today. I'm not in a very good mood, and yeah, so we're gonna try getting my mood up, I guess, for now. So we're gonna use IDLOK and ScrollOK for the menu. Now specifically for the message view window, it takes a window, a window and a boolean. The arguments for both of them. Now let's read them. And I figured this out yesterday, so it I understand it as I figured this out from a YouTube video I was watching about N-curses. It's just like a tutorial, just looking at it, and it helped me a lot and understand more of what I already know. So if we set scroll OK, so it says the scroll OK option controls what happens when the cursor of a window is moved off the edge of the window or scrolling region, either as a result of a new line action or on the bottom line or typing the last character of the line. If disabled, BF is false. Now BF is the second argument. So if it's false, where is it? If it's false, the cursor is left on the bottom line. If enabled, BF is true. So the second argument is true. The window is scrolled up one line. Now to get that physical scrolling, it's also necessary to call IDLOK. Now let's look at IDLOK. If IDLOK is called with true as a second argument, N-curses considers using the hardware insert delete feature of the terminals so equipped. Calling IDLOK with the second argument as false disables the use of line insertion and deletion. This option should be enabled only if the application needs to insert/delete line. So when we have so basically what it's saying is when we have something we need to uh, where it needs to delete the line, print the last one, put it above so it can insert a line, the latest line at the bottom. That's basically what it's doing. That's what the insertion deletion feature does, basically. This option should be enabled only if the application needs insert/delete line. For example, for a screen editor, if it is disabled by default, it is disabled by default because insert/delete lines tends to be visually annoying when used in applications where it's not really needed. If insert/delete line cannot be used, curse redraws the changed portions of all lines. Okay, so yeah, and basically, yeah, that's how it works. It's pretty simple. So we're gonna actually use it on the top right here, and we're gonna need to modify this. Actually no, we'll just do it over here. So after we make the windows, we're going to call ScrollOK and IDLOK. All right. So we're going to remove all this. We're going to enable both of these for the actual scrolling, like same how we're scrolling right here, of the view window. So this window argument, we're going to replace it with MSG view window. And the same thing with okay, hold on. Type of window cannot be used to int. Oh, we don't need to return anything or whatever the fuck. Alright, we're going, and then the bool, we're gonna set this to true. Okay, now this is gonna be the same window for that. And, we're gonna set this to true as well. Okay, let's test this. Also, I fixed the what's it called? The git commit shit. So yeah, we're good. Anyways, let me compile this real quick. Fuck. Damn it. G++ dash O menu dot C++ dash L and curses. gosh. Menu. Okay. I'm hoping this. No? Hmm. Do I need to refresh the window? Or maybe we set it down here. What if for every time we do that, um, let's see. No, it's not. It's not working. Hmm. No, it's not. Pretty sure I'm using this wrong somehow. Doesn't seem like I'm using it wrong, to be honest. I feel like I did everything right. And we're setting up for the window. Well, what I'm gonna do right now is just make a simple test program, I guess, just to see if it runs, I guess. Test. Okay. It's just gonna include stream is gonna detect the C++ automatically. Alright, include IO stream, and we're gonna say curses dot h. Okay, let's just rename this real quick. Alright, we're gonna open menu test. It's main. We really don't need IO stream, but it's whatever. We're gonna initialize this screen, just basic setup. Okay, init screen, cbreak, um, keypad, the Windows STD screen. Set that to true. Let's set this to no echo. Okay. I'm gonna disable the cursor because this is just testing it. All right, so we're gonna make a window height. Let's say like 10. Window height. Now this is gonna be win length. I guess we can set that like 20, no, 40, I guess. Okay, so this is gonna be the start X and start Y for the new window. Um, Actually, I'm not gonna do these. I'll just do it from the arcs. Okay, so we're gonna just create a new window. Uh, this is gonna be for the height. Where's the window height? Win length. Set it at the starting. All right, so we're gonna right here we're going to enable scroll. Okay, scroll okay. This is gonna be for comma true. Alright, we're gonna enable IDL okay. Alright, we're just gonna create a for loop to just um the reason why we're starting at 1 is the line number. We don't want to start it at the border. Like if I we don't want to start it right here. We want to start it right here. That's basically it. Okay, that we're gonna say I3, I guess, actually. Comma I plus plus. This can just, oh wait, we can't use stdcl. W print f, actually window. We'll do it for that window. Some text or something. Now this is gonna be for the position, I guess, or whatever it's called. We're gonna refresh the screen. Okay, and that's the window. We're gonna refresh and then we're just gonna wait. We're gonna nap in milliseconds, just 400, like almost half a second, 4/10 of a second, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, okay, and then we're just going to, yeah, I'll set this, so this just waits before we delete, so we can inspect, I guess. We're gonna delete our window, then end the virtual screen, the virtual window I meant, that it creates for us. Menu test. Too many arguments. W print W. W print W. Wait. W print. W print W. That's the string. And that's the string. Alright, you know what? We're gonna use MV print W. I guess. MV print W. Alright. MV print W. So that's gonna be a initial egg. I meant int y and then int x. So this is basically the starting y and starting x of where it prints. So I'm gonna, okay, so, okay, but that's not for a specific window. But for here, I did it and it worked. Oh, I used W print W for the window. What? Fuck it. I might as well just remove it there. I'm gonna move it there. Okay. On win. Yeah, we'll make a track. By default, that's gonna be a cool one. Alright. That's gonna be on window. std string msg. Alright. The reason why I want to use end cursors for the client, by the way, is so I can have more control of the cursor. I feel like I have more control of the cursor, like a lot more. And where I can print stuff and shit. So yeah. Oh, am I doing something wrong? I don't think I did something wrong. Let's create a box around this window so I can just see better. Around this window. Create a default, uh, just default borders. Oops, I gotta refresh the window. Window. No. Did I forget anything? W refresh. No, I'm doing it right. Mm, there's the, wait, why am I doing that? Fuck, what was it? Lines and, is it? Calls, columns. Really? Hmm. Say, refresh this. What's going on? Create a new window. Um, the fuck? I'm not doing anything wrong, right? See, what I'm tempted to do is go to slash menu. What I'm tempted to do, but I don't want to do since I want to like allow the users to keep like a history of the text that we're being sent. If this is right here, I mean, if lines is at the length, well, if track, which is the lines, it's tracking how much lines. If that plus one would like equal the lines column thingy, if lines is there, okay. So if we move the cursor and when using W move and we end up here, what's called on the actual length, like in lines right here, then we just manually remove the first one, then delete it. Oh, well, we delete this, then we print the, and then we move everything on top. all the way there, and then we print the newest one. I don't want to do that, not because it's hard, but because the users are not going to see past texts, and that's important. Let me like search if there's anything. Scroll window and curses. That's because when you place I gets bigger than the window size is not. Huh? Okay, so this guy's code does not. Okay, so he makes a new window. Okay, so the reason why he actually makes the window right here and just makes the variable and shit right here, so you can get that and then use that as the height and length and shit. But this is not scrolling for him. Okay, let me go to my menu test. Okay, so this is the code that does not work for him. Oh yeah, let me also include IO string. Okay. What the fuck? Why did he initialize this screen right there? Okay, so does that? Don't think you can do that with a. Can you? Wait. So this guy's new. First of all, he could have been smarter with this and said get that set new equal to that. Why would he do that? Why would he set that to equal new? If you make a window with the new keyword, that's reserved for creating memory shit. Okay. So I'm gonna do that. Say if I is equal to 30, we're going to just break, we'll wait for just user input and shit. Huh? Yeah, but we'll just make it a second. Okay, so every second it prints that. So I want to do this so it so it goes down and I can just be fast enough to. That's weird. When you're doing this, it does not update it. Anyways, I want to do this so I can scroll and see if I can scroll. I don't think it. Let me enable my scroll bar real quick. Oh no, I can't use that. Yeah, I don't think you can scroll because IDLOK is not enabled. Okay, let's see this. Alright, come on. I should have made it a little bit faster to be honest, printing lines, but it's whatever right now. So we don't need to refresh the window, I guess? That's interesting. No, you can't really scroll. It's whatever. I don't care about that. I just want to get this. Also, let me make a box for the window. Just a default one. Um, do that. Do refresh the window. Okay. It's all fucked up because this is printing on the edge of the line. And this is because it's a new line. So it's breaking that edge. So if we go where is it? Right here. With that new line, that edge is going to be fixed. Okay. Now, of course, the terminal shit is fucked up because this guy doesn't have where it moves to the cursor of I and shit. But that's what I have, so mine is good. Anyways, okay. So we're gonna set this, I guess. Hmm. I don't think this is gonna work still for my actual menu. Come the fuck on. And I have a feeling why it's not gonna work. Okay. If I say um MSG plus equals a new line, we'll add a new line to that. Probably. Yeah, it does. Okay, so for new lines, I guess, and that breaks the sides though. Also, these sides are like this because I'm not printing this properly. I know I'm not moving the cursor and shit properly, but it's whatever for now. This side though, it's let's see, print to the side of and curses without breaking box, I guess. Breaking box. Print. Not what I'm looking for. Mm, see, cause look, I don't understand why it's making like my side, and then it's breaking my other side as well. It's acting weird. I don't know. Shit. Mm, so it refreshes that. Hmm. What if I say I get the length of the what if I say I get the length of the current X position after moving it if it's greater than or equal to the length of um if it's greater than or equal to the length of the actual window, which is message view window, we probably like we probably like um we could probably say uh we could probably read well hold on. Okay, so let's say it's x comma y. Uh, x equals like it's y. Actually, that's dumb. We could just do this. Gets yx. Um, it's gonna be on STD screen because that's where the main cursors. That's where the cursor's gonna be. All right. So that and then the y and then x to save the variable. And I meant to save the value. If all right. If this, then do that. So if x, well, if y, we don't care about x. Okay, so if, wait, what are the arguments for this? Gets yx and curses. There should be a y as well. Hmm. I guess we just do it with that. Okay. Get if y, let's say if it's greater than or equal to if it's equal to the message view height. We're going to print it. Well, let's say we do when clear curses. Where's the man page? Goddamn, what's the clearing again? Hmm. Hold on. Okay. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. I don't want to clear the window. Okay, we can change this later on, maybe. Okay, we can say like, fuck. Hmm. How about like, I don't know. I mean, we could do this as well, but we don't want to clear the whole window. Okay, let's just try this, I guess. Alright, instead of message input window, message view window. Okay, we can say tracker minus track minus. Then we can print out. Um, we can use W. We'll just use the same thing that we did right here. Okay, W move to that, and then we're gonna basically print it out and then refresh it. So after a message is actually received, we want to say we refresh the window here actually. MSG the view window. I want to see if that does anything, like fixes the borders maybe. We'll see from this end line. Alright, we're gonna go to track and then we're doing that. Okay. This is not gonna work, but let's with the try, I guess. We already see that refreshing of the window does not clear the thingy. No? It's not working. Okay. Uh, damn it, this is not gonna work. Should print it after the program finishes in the background, I guess, like a log. So we just see if it's running. Mm -mm -mm. How about we delete the window and recreate it, I guess. I mean, that's not gonna be good, but it's whatever, I guess. I'll try it. Mm. Okay, so I'll just copy this. Make that window, make a box around it. Um, what else? What else? We'll add this. Damn, that's not gonna be good though. It's whatever right now. Hold on. Gonna say it's already. No, it's not. Okay. Wait. Actually, yeah, that's good. It's not even. What the fuck? Okay, let's end it. It's not printing that, so it's not reading that. Why is that? Um, and why is this? Um, MSG view height. What the fuck? Oh, damn it. Seriously? Um, mm. First of all, let me print to this screen. Um, oh yeah. The fuck? You know what? Yeah, we should. Fuck. Why is it doing this bullshit? It's just gonna pile up and shit. No. Wait. Oh, we're minusing this. Oh, wait. Because that's gonna keep it at the same value um, before, before the condition is valid. That's gonna keep at the same value, so it's gonna keep running the other one. Wait, this should work then. No? Okay, so it moves it to that. I want to see what clearing the whole window looks like. Like, if I was to do this. I hate how when you type fast in Ubuntu, it just freezes. Seriously? What the fuck? No, it's not working. Hmm. So, hmm. When I do a when I print a new line, um, hold on. Oh yeah, when I print a new line for the what's it called? When I write a new line at the end, which is why I commented out, it reaches the edge. It reaches like the edge of the window, and then like it fucks with it and shit. Like, well, it doesn't do it now because what's it called? Um, it just fucks with it. But I can't not use it because it's going to mess with my it's going to mess with I mean it's not going to allow the look. So it's gonna remove the borders. It's not even running that, what the fuck? just instead of that. See, it breaks the whole window. It's breaking the whole window. Um, like it just breaks the whole window and it doesn't, what's it called? It's not, you know what? I should like, uh, I don't know what I'm gonna do to be honest. I feel like I should, probably like make a sub window or some shit. Um, should I? You know what? Fuck it. I'll make a sub window, but I'm going to make it in a test. In a so I'm going to make it in a this test. Okay, so I have everything set up properly already. That's just so window is just for. Let me lower this thing. Win is for just the what's it called? The browser. What's called the borders. So what I can probably do instead is like make a sub window. Let's call it like a sub win, and that's gonna be equal to new win. Actually, no, we're gonna use Darwin because we're trying to make a sub window. Okay, that's going to be main window, and our main window is win, comma the sub height. We'll say the height's -4. That'll be actually we'll do it -3. Say the border's like uh this of the actual window, then the sub menu would be right here, basically. It's gonna be like that, okay? Now the sub width will say the width -3 as well. So it's just right like inside of it, I guess. And we're gonna make it at 1 comma 1. It's basically the same thing. Um actually hold on. If we make it 1 by 1, mm, you know what? We're gonna make this for the sub window. So only the sub window's contents gets refreshed and shit. Uh, yeah, that'll be good actually. And we can just print that. Um, and instead of printing on the window, it's gonna be for their sub window. There we go. I plus plus refresh window. Actually, we're just gonna do this like 400 ms. W refresh. We're gonna refresh the sub window. We don't want to touch the borders. So the borders are basically not gonna be flickering or anything. Um, at the end, we're just gonna refresh the borders window. Uh, what's it called? Just for so we can just see if it's intact, I guess. I mean, we don't really have to do it, but it's whatever. So we're gonna say del win. We're gonna first delete the border. It doesn't matter what if we first delete. Do that and then sub window. Alright, and then we end window. Our virtual one STD screen, I guess. Okay, so we do that and then we enable scrolling for sub window. I don't think anything is wrong. We refresh it, we print that on there. slash menu test. Alright, let's see this. Oh yeah, wait, we forgot to add a new line. Okay, because we're testing with sub window, so it should just be normal. Fuck is the fucks with the borders. I don't care about it fucks with the border on the right, I just want this to work. Okay, so it's printing from inside the border. That's only because this cursor is being right there. Like, look, if we do this a little bit faster, let's use 300 ms. We see that the cursor is right there, and right when it reaches the border right there, it's going to scroll. Okay. First of all, I'm going to put this in a for loop instead of a while loop. So we'll say for int I equals 1. I guess we'll say 1. We'll say I has to be less than 30, I guess. Then I plus plus. We are going to not do that. Going to remove that. Okay, so this is just a while loop. So right when it gets over here. Okay, and then it refreshes that and deletes that. Okay, perfect. So that's after 30. So, shit, I don't like that though. Where it prints to that, it's just annoying. Also, the reason why it's like waiting after that, it's waiting for us to user input and shit. We just remove that. So this would just print like that. Alright, so we do that, right? We don't need this. Okay. See how it exited just for us. Alright, so see, we did that perfectly. It did that for us, and then, cause we set it at 3, remember? -3, so that's just inside this. So it's perfect. Let me try that, hold on. Wait, no. Okay. Why is it not working? What the fuck? Wait, that's oh, yeah. Okay. So, um, hmm, mm, um, that should be good, I guess, like that. But we have a problem. Hmm, I guess we can say int x, comma y gets xy, well, yx, from the sub window. Actually, wait. Hold on. That length probably would just stop right there. Should, right? Since that's, oh wait, no, that's the width. Dumbass. Okay, wait, let me run this. Okay, so fix that. That's because, so the reason why I fixed it, hold on. I'll show you why this got fixed. Alright, PMS. We'll just say 5,000 for 5 seconds so I can show you. So the reason why is because the width was right on this border, I guess. So when it prints a new line, it should be right here now, not on this border edge, right? So that's basically it. And yeah, so that would mean we're gonna need to change the height as well to double it on 4. So the cursor should stop right here. You'll see, prints right on it. There we go. See that? Okay. So yeah, pretty good. Mm, yeah, that's nice. All right. So we created a sub window and shit, and yeah, let's see this again. Mm, okay, it's looking beautiful right now. Um, that's good. So it's not affecting the borders. Let's see this one more time. Doesn't affect the borders at all. And when it's refreshing, it's not refreshing the whole border and shit. It's actually just refreshing here, which is good, and that's what we want. Okay. So what we can say right here. Let's not make a this right here. We can probably say um, window. Let's just use the same thing as right here. Sub window. That's gonna be from MSG input. I'm at MSG view. So it's going to be MSG view height. View height, that'll be -2. Actually 3. Okay. That should be inside of it without affecting the borders. We don't need a border for this window because our sub window. Alright. So right here, where we're going to delete this first. Okay. We're going to replace that with someone. Okay. Mm, okay. Wait. In the oh shit. Uh. Oops. Perfect. So it's not disturbing the right border. It shouldn't disturb the bottom border. Oh, what the fuck? It is. Do I? There's nothing else. you would just do a message.string as the second, then this can be a track. I mean, that should be good. Then we refresh it, same thing. Wait 30 seconds before doing that. Clear that. We refresh the input window. Really? The height. Let's see this. Okay, so the height is not disturbed. I mean, the bottom's not disturbed. The left. Why is that doing that? So, W move. Okay. It's probably due to the width changing. Why is it doing that? That's weird. So it's doing all this. I don't know. So the normal text, right? And then right there. Oh, wait. If we do that, that's probably because the cursor's ending up right here, maybe. Wait, I don't think it is though. That's weird. Mm, yeah, I can't figure out the problem. We're moving the cursor properly and shit. The cursor's right there. Wait. Oh, dumbass. Jesus fucking Christ. Since we're printing that with a new line, that wouldn't. Wait, what? Track. We should set that up, right? Hold on, because I want to see. Gonna add a new line to it. Hmm. Okay, so we add a new line. All right. What makes it? Huh? W move. W move. Subline track. Um. Hmm. One. I don't understand. Yeah. Shit, I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna. Fuck. I don't know what to do. Yeah, I have no idea. Hmm. I'm focused on something else. Hold on. Okay. So at least we're getting somewhere though. Right there, and I've type that. Wait a minute. Oh, holy shit. Yeah, this is not working. I don't know what the fuck to do. Mm-mm-mm. Alright, I don't know what to do. So that's only if the cursor. Is the cursor there? Actually, before printing that, I'm gonna say. Hmm. It's never actually gonna reach that. The fuck you mean? Okay. It's not gonna accept that. No, it was there was a two string. Probably it's no, it's not working. Um, it's whatever. I'll just do this string. Okay, why can't I do this? Okay, because it can't work. Okay. Mm, okay, so we can do that. It's never probably gonna reach it. Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, the cursor's by default. Okay. So we should probably say gonna be for MSG. Okay. Really? How? Mm, Alright, let me. Hold on. We should do -5. Okay. If. Okay. Okay, let's just try that so we can see a visible difference. Wait, no. That's so dumb. Also, wait. I meant this. Let's just say like 4. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, +1. Oh. So that's the problem. That's such a dumb mistake. I didn't realize I have probably some disproportions, I guess. Um, that's 2. What the fuck? Really? First of all, we're gonna remove that first. Why does it stay at 25? Why is track the cursor Y? Right here, it's not updating. That's just weird, to be honest. I don't know. Mm. Yeah, it's just acting weird. I don't know. So this is not use. That's the only one I can think of, to be honest. They should probably be printing some, maybe, hopefully. No? Nothing. Okay, that's for empty ones. Okay. Alright. Mm. Mm. No? I have no idea how to fix this, to be honest. So it's not adding to the tracker. Alright. Okay, so you know what I want to do. Okay, because it's not even running the else condition. So I'll probably set. Okay. It would not be running the if condition if it doesn't add past 55. Huh? See, this one's running just fine. And with more on the cursor position. Is there like an else condition or some shit that's running? Hmm, no idea. This, I don't know. What if we assume that it's just not empty? Literally nothing's working. I don't know. Hmm, nothing's working. Huh, so it's based on how long the terminal is? That's just acting weird. Hmm. Um, how about if I run this tasks hit what? I'm at if the cursor y is equal to 40. I'm at 25. X, well, no, if y is equal to 30, then we can do that. It's running it. Seriously? That's fucking weird. I mean, is this just not working? Let me see if there's just a problem with that real quick. What? I'm so confused. Okay. They should probably fuck with the bottom, but I don't know about the... No. I don't know. Message view. That's... That's minus double that. The width is minus... Height minus 3. The width is that minus 2. Trying to see anything I'm doing wrong. Let's try this out. 1. Huh. We should of course do 1 minus that. Okay, so that's just even. The height. Oh, wait. Okay, there we go. Perfect. We should probably minus the width by 2. Minus this by 4. Minus this by 6. So the bottom isn't disturbed as well. And it looks more even. Perfect. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so we got our menu and shit. Um, yeah, perfect. Just change the proportions, I guess. Maybe on like the we can probably say on mm, what's it called? If oh yeah, also right here. While loop continuously store calls and bar if calls does not equal, then reprint every. Alright, now what I was gonna, oh yeah, I can probably put like chat on the border. So if we're at 1, okay, so the starting is 1. We could probably like say 1, then at like 5, I guess. We're going to print out the, I'll show you. Oops, accidentally hold it all, see, held. Alright, we're gonna go right here and we're gonna say, we're gonna print in MSG view window. Okay, I'll show you, hold on. Chat, MSG view window. Um, to, can we say, like, so there's gonna be 1 comma, I'll say 5 for x. Too many arguments, yeah. Actually, yeah, I mean, because it doesn't take a variable. I meant for a window. No, because if we look at printing, MV and then print. So we move it to a specific window, then we print it. I mean, we move on a specific window. So we can say like, um, message view window, Y, it's gonna be 1, of course, because that's where it's, the start, Y is, we'll say like 4, and we'll print chat. Mm. looks good. That is bothering me very bad. No? Oh, it's the starting. Wait, this is not gonna. Oh, there we go. Okay, it is. That's this. That's the starting. Okay. We can minus this. Let's try 4. It's not gonna work with 4. It's gonna fuck up the bottom border. So we'll have to go to 5. Yeah. I just wanted to try it because I'm hating that gap. Not gonna lie. That one gap, you'll see it. Hold on. That one gap is very annoying. Okay. Alright. So that's basically it for the what's it called? Um, that's it for the menu. Okay. Wait a minute. Look at the top menu. Definitely from the starting height being that. Watch. This is probably gonna fix it. Yep. Okay. So this height should be 6 back to normal so it doesn't fuck with the border for the bottom and it keeps the whole chat and everything intact. See, the only thing I don't like is that small one fucking position gap on top. Ooh. Mm, yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, so we're going to make a header file in the um for the client. So we're gonna go to our headers, C++ files. I don't know how to use namespaces much, but I'll try my best. This is like almost my first time using namespaces. So yeah, we're gonna try it. Anyways, we're gonna make menu.cpp. Okay, so we're gonna copy everything right here. All right. Now we make this whole menu. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be what's it called? Okay, we're gonna create this later. Actually, we'll just create it right now. Why not? All right. Oops. Okay. So we're using menu. Now if we're gonna compile with all of them, we're gonna have to remove that. So we already have that in our sketch. We're not really gonna use that though. So, and plus we're not using that function. All right, we'll say the namespace is menu. It'll be like it'll be a void menu start chat menu start chat menu. All right, now we're gonna do that. Okay. Now this is going. We're gonna go right here. Say if not defined, define menu and if we'll say let me just include a basic IO stream. We'll make a namespace called okay. There we go. Perfect. First time using namespaces, I already understand them. Well, I learned about them, but I never used them. That's just basically it. We're gonna need to change this. Change that. Alright. We're gonna go to clients. Alright. Now we're gonna include a menu. Now we're gonna need to create a basic menu as well. We're basically gonna do this except that. Okay. Alright, we start this. Gonna start that start chat menu. This is gonna be start init. Alright, we're gonna make that where we're gonna define it. Okay. Alright. Start the menu, it does that. Message view. Okay, we don't need that right now. We actually don't need it at all. So that's just gonna be height. Width. Okay. Chat. This is going to be server loading. Refresh. Message. Window. We'll just do a while true right now. We're not gonna worry about that password and shit right now yet. It's alright. Okay. Let's go to my client. Now right here, we're going to do start in app menu. Alright. Let's new into the main file real quick. So we can just update it to compile with our menu. Okay. This is gonna be with n curses as well. Dash ln curses. Alright. Flink. We'll say headers slash cpp files slash menu.cpp. Okay. We're going to make the clients. I don't care about this shit. I'll fix the client. Not the client. I'll fix Neovim later and stuff. Alright. So we're going to some programming. It's not supposed. Oops. It's not gonna print out anything for the client when I run it, but I just wanna see if it runs it. Okay. Okay. We're gonna go right here and we're gonna modify them. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna start printing everything. Okay, let me try with this. Let's see. MV. Fuck, what was it? MV print. MVW print. Okay. MVW. Alright. We're gonna go right there. MVW. Print. Okay. Really? What the fuck? And then this is gonna be a message view window. Why is this not working? Hold on. Not this. All right. So, fuck, comma window sub window. So take these two arguments. We're gonna put them right here. We're going to need to include in curses. Dot h. All right. Remove that. Okay, so we're gonna create two sub windows. Um, window pointer. Oops. Pointer. Main. Main. Sub window. Sub window. All right. Sub window. I guess I'm like two. I just wanna print this. I just wanna see if it prints at least. Okay, come on, come on. Mm. I've gotta be doing this wrong somehow. It's probably that while loop that's keeping us. Let's see other people's. And curses. Chat, GitHub, C++. Okay. So this guy makes a simple chat. Alright. Let's see. The client. Hmm. You know, I really don't want to have to do that, but right now, I mean, I guess it's best to do it. Mm. Yeah, I don't know. Um, I have no idea. Should I just? Okay. We'll delete that later. Not right now. Let's this. Perfect. Alright, so it is printing it out at least. So this cout, so when you see some weird printing like this, that's from cout, alright? Let's see how much we have to change of cout. Oh, fuck. Alright, so it's gonna be a little bit harder, but it's whatever. I'll leave that for now. Okay. So initializing. We're gonna get the track variable from menu. I'm just gonna make this a static variable since we already have it defined in the menu. I'm gonna remove the menu header and shit. I'll just do it right here. Alright. Actually, we'll just call it print. We'll pass in a window. This is just to do it all for us, like simply. We'll just call the window P, I guess. And the message. I should probably use a template for the message since we don't know the arg that the message is gonna be passed into, but it's whatever. We'll just do that. Okay, so we're gonna say track plus plus. So we're adding track. We're gonna do that basically. Comma default. Actually x int x by default is gonna equal 1. Oh, let me just remove that. So on window P, we're going to pass dot C string. Okay. Alright. Int y by default it's track. Fuck. Okay, so this should just be a simple print function, I guess. So Twitter. Anyways, we're doing that. Now we're gonna go wherever we see the MV print. We're gonna leave this one though. Yeah. we'll say print. We'll just make this in a separate namespace, I guess. Now from window prints, we are going to pass the window, and the window is going to be our sub window. The message. Okay, and then X and Y, but we leave those default for these. Alright, so it's as simple as just doing this. Print that sub window. Perfect. Okay. We are going to copy this all the time. Okay. Alright. These should no format. Format, not a string, literal. Oh shit, this terminal's acting like that. Oh, that's because it's probably running with wall. Okay, hold on. This whole thing is... Yeah, this whole thing is acting weird. We'll end the window properly, so... Oh! Forgot to refresh the window. Dumb mistake. Perfect. Alright. So we're gonna go down. Oh my fuck. Okay. So we're just gonna go, we're just right now going everywhere we see this. See out, just replace it. to use FMT for this one part. Alrighty. We had a broken pipe on there. Okay. Now we get these ones. Those are from the fetch HTTP. We're going to convert those stuff too as well later. Oh shit. Fuck. We're going to go to everywhere where it's STD. See out. Place that with this. And everywhere where it says STD and line. Gonna replace that all. Just this. Wait. Dumbass. Okay. That should just do it a little bit faster, I guess. Oh yeah, we're gonna need to pass that in later. This should be track. So int x by default is gonna be that. Now we're wanting to erase the line. Let's just overwrite it. And let's say on track -2. Same with this. We're gonna remove that. Gonna remove that. Okay. This was a lot easier now. Green text. Gonna ignore that. Okay. Oops, let me. That. these right now. Okay, we're just gonna put this all the way up there. I know this is pretty slow, but yeah. Um, we'll ignore that for now. And right here. Okay. Okay. Load RSA key. Let's clear the R's. Let's go to key loading and shit. So let's go to the menu. Curl has started. Let's go to curls real quick. Uh, First of all, we're going to go to fetch HTTP ping server. Go to fetch and save. Curl has started. We're gonna just window um rent subwin comma just that. Alright, we're going to go right here. Extern window. What is it? Print. Hmm. Print. Okay, let's take the same arcs. Oh, wait. We're gonna make this a short. Gonna not static track. track. Do not do that. Y equals track. Okay. We're gonna modify the make file. Alright, so besides that, it's gonna be track. Mm. Should I do that? Fuck. Mm. Hold on. Print other. We can just call print other. Curses dot h. Wait. Oh. Wait, no. I'm not sure how to use extern with namespaces. Okay. Pulling that. Now we're going to say uh mm, so one. Where's the that's the only one that's printing, okay. We're going to go to Anchor. First of all, we're going to actually alright. Alright, so we're gonna use print other. Hold on, let me do that real quick. Oh, okay. It's from the thread. We're not passing this, sorry, global. Alright, initializing argument. What the fuck is that saying? I was just gonna use this for compilation, compiling. Client.cpp. Fuck you mean? Can I convert window? What if we first set that as a hold on. Okay. What the fuck does that mean? Oh my fucking god. You know what? Why don't we say okay. Mm, shit. Okay, so if I say this, I don't know what my problem is because it should work fine, but I guess it's not. Which is, I don't know why it's acting weird. Where's that? Where's that defined? What the fuck? Okay, hold on, let me not do that. We should get ton of errors. Alright, not bad. Um, Alright, I'm going to put this down. We'll I'm at sub SWD. I'm at SW equal to sub window, I guess. These are just warnings. Don't care about that. Let's print this. Okay, so the 90-second thingy is obviously not working. We see that. So we're going to need to pull this at sub SW. Okay, there we go. Okay, this should for the curl started. Oh yeah, I didn't even print it out last time because I just commented it out. That's weird. I guess we won't print this. I gotta fix the length. Let me go to main real quick. Alright, I'm gonna go right here. Alright, I'll say like -2 as well. Okay, there we go. Okay. So we're gonna do so we got the window running properly. Right, let me reached. Try again in 90 seconds. Now we're going to go to print other. Okay, we gotta print that properly. Ooh, hold on. We're gonna need to leave SV for them separately. nurses. Alright, perfect. Oh, we're gonna move all this to print other. Print other. Sub SW. Okay. Um, that should fix the leave stuff. Oops. Wait. Hmm? That's weird. Hmm. Alright. We're going to remove that. Damn. We're gonna remove that Kanyo mode shit and catch. Okay. There we go. Oh yeah, we can just straight up uh, print it. Okay, maybe we'll include catch at least, since that has the paths. I'll change the paths to be over here, not rely on catch. But we'll do that later. It's been a while since I've used Galine. We're gonna replace this eventually with, we're going to erase this eventually with, we're going to replace this eventually with our own Galine. But that works on end curses, alright? So we can take input using that. So yeah. My shit stopped, hold on. Damn, I finished this whole thing. Alright, let's go right here. Loaded the, or say private. I meant public. Okay. Alright. Okay. Um, damn. This is looking pretty ugly right now, but it'll get better eventually. Okay. Um, so it's done that. So it's acting pretty weird. I know, that's because we're not closing the file or anything. I meant the fucking file, what? The window. Alright, so we're going to put this in Ankara as well. Ankara is going to be a pretty damn big one. Okay, so we're going to go to that fetch, HTTP, Ankara. So let's W. Alright, we're going to include Ankara just in case. Okay. Fuck. Alright, we're going to say std cout. We're going to replace that other sub sw. Okay, let's get ready for some problems. We're going to format this. Private key file. Um, let's see. Oops. Alright. We gotta fix all these runtime errors. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright. So Let's try this. Oh shit. Okay. Oh shit, it's not that bad. Okay. Default argument given for parameter 3. Fuck you mean? Symbols are warnings. Alright, you know what? Let me modify my makefile so it cannot show warnings. Because I don't have to worry about warnings right now, to be honest. It's only active for the server. Format, not a string literal. You know what? Oh, yeah, I'm not understanding. But if I do this, gives me a okay. I'm just gonna stop coding right now. Alright. Hmm. Pretty sure it's one of them. We're not passing as proper. Okay, so it's only these ones we're gonna focus on right now. Default argument for I might remove the default argument. The fuck you give me errors for? That makes no sense. Oh, by the way, that was unused. Huh? I also really need to fix the other ones, but why is this not? Oh, it's using the over. Okay. So that's because we gotta go right here. No need to do that. Okay. We're gonna go to Encry and remove these that are causing errors. This should fix it. There we go. Perfect. Undefined reference to prints. Hmm? That's in the leaf. Ah, forgot to delete that. So. Okay. Fuck. It's because my cursor's invisible, so. Okay. Hmm. Damn, there's a lot of problems going on right now. And I don't want to commit at all right now. Could not fetch the server broken pipe, I'm guessing. Segfault. Yeah. They disconnected too early and shit. Okay. I'm gonna code later. Well, tomorrow. Uh, I'll maybe be adding on to this server stuff. Looking pretty ugly right now, but it's alright. We're gonna get better and stuff. Bye.